Hello, this is
Hi.
Expert33 back with another video. Today I'm being joined by my friend Infinity Craft, which is sitting right next to me. Me and him are going to be doing the keyboard challenge where I'm going to be controlling the mouse and he's going to be controlling the keyboard. So first we're going to play one game of solo. See how it goes. Let's go. Okay. Move around. Okay. Oh, we're playing on the Glacier. Whatever it is, this ice one.
Turn around.
Why should I turn around?
I'm running in circles and I can't run in circles.
Yeah, everyone here is going to be savage and we're probably going to lose because of it. But go back. Come on, come on. Okay, now we're going to wait here. Don't you feel like the mouse is the most control
Yes.
in Bed Wars?
Because then you can force them to go wherever you want because you won't turn for them.
Okay.
Place a block.
Come on. We need to collect some more. How? Bed's not going to...
Go savage.
No.
And not protect the bed.
No. Let's not do that. We're going to lose then.
Does that matter?
Yes,
Lose
okay.
no matter
Now
what.
get up!
Place the
Get up!
losers
Get up!
equally.
Come on! Wait, come on! There we go. Iron and then some
Why
wood.
did you get hardened clay?
Because I like hardened clay. Just press E! E! Go out now! Come on, yes. Now stop. Jump up. Okay. Come on, jump on the green. Oh,
Go.
okay, now.
Okay.
Come on. There we go. Go around the thing. Come on. Come on. Now go back to the thing. It feels like there's two players on our team, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now can you have some glass? Thank you.
Can you have some glass?
Yes, I can.
Only 4 though.
Okay, E. Press E. Thank you. Come on, let's go. Run, run, run before they...
Come on, place the wood. Place the
Oh,
wood.
they're coming for us. No.
You forgot to place the wood there.
No, I need more. I'm doing a cool design.
Sure.
I need...
Turn around!
No, I need more iron. Okay, come on. I need 24.
Why do you need 24?
Because so I can get 8. I bet someone's going to destroy our bed.
Yeah.
I just feel like it.
Cookies by Team the Creepers.
What?
Who bed was traded in for?
Was traded in for milk and cookies. Just gotta go to the thing now. Okay. Come on. And buy 2 glass. Now go to the ender chest. Ender chest, come on, come on. Okay. Can you hold shift? Thank you. E. Out of the thing. Thank you. Let's go. Come on. Stop. Jump. There. Okay, now let's go here.
Place it.
I'm not supposed to place it. Look at green, blue, and red battling. Okay, now come on. Thank you. Go around the whole thing. Go around the whole thing.
Now we can't get on top of it.
Yes, we can. I'm gonna place stuff. Come on! This is very hard, especially with
No.
you.
What?
Okay, now. Come on. Let's go around it. Come on! Come on. Jump. Jump. Now let's go on the sides. Jump. Uh, eh, 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 and then the last 2, which should go at the end there. At the end there. Come on! At the end here. There, and then I'll put the wood on the top, like this. Jump. And then, no! Forwards! Okay, come on. Now. Okay, now. Let's go back and get some
Why did
wool.
you get an extra 4 glass?
Full glass. I didn't know that. Just get some wool now. Now go to the thing. Go to the thing. Thank you. Now go to the ender chest. Come on. This is so annoying. Shift. Thank you. Now. Items. Come on. Thank you. Yeah, okay. There we go. Wool. And now go back. Okay, now let's go to the chest. Go to the chest. Go to the chest. Shift. Okay, there we go. What?
Oh, move those across.
Why do we need to move them across?
And it's easier to access.
Yeah, let's try to destroy it.
Building to us.
Jump. No, on the corner here. Jump. Shift. Walk back. Shift. Walk back. Jump. Shift. Walk back. This is...
You could have placed a block to save us.
I know! Now let's get some more blocks. Okay, now go to the thing, get some... Go to this. Okay, TNT. And some...
That's
E.
enough.
Now go out. Outside.
But we've got precious stuff.
Now go upstairs. Upstairs, 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 upstairs. Keep going up. Now let's start building across from this thing. Right there. Right there. Now shift. Just hold shift and move and hold the back button. No.
I want to let go of shift.
Then we're gonna die.
Exactly.
Can you move a little bit that way? Left. A little bit left. You don't know which way's left. You learn that at school.
Okay, wait, how
Keep going. Keep going. Yellow doesn't know we're coming. Come on. Let's go. Quickly. Come on. Come on. Can you speed jump? Now speed jump off the edge. Onto the top of the thing. Thank you. Now crouch. Crouch.
Our bed was destroyed.
By white. Now, just no, build up the top around here. You never know I'm going to be coming. Stop. No, crouch and move over.
I didn't. Oh my god.
Run! Okay.
I ran into the void.
Oh, that's bad. Okay. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Okay. Make sure to say bye.
Bye!
Okay, I'm going to end the video.